The big tech giants have started a race to dominate AI. OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, China's DeepSeek, and Elon Musk Grok all launched their exclusive chatbots recently, and each one is sharing complicated charts comparing their capabilities in mathematics, science, and coding. In this video, I'm gonna try these chatbots' paid versions in a real-world coding experience by creating an AI Chrome extension, and I will compare the results side by side to find the best large language model for coding. You know what? This could be expensive. So I wish I have them all in one application and of course paid once. The good news is this is not dream anymore. This is abacus.ai website interface. In Abacus, AI engineer builds applied AI systems and agents with the products like chat and code LLM and AI agents and solutions for enterprise, professionals, and small teams. This is Abacus AI Chat LLM page, which is similar to ChatGPT's interface, and you could choose between 48 custom bots, including TikTok coach and YouTube assistant. And the best part is you have access to the 20 large language models, paid versions, including ChatGPT 4.0 and 0.1, and Gemini 2 Pro, Grok, and DeepSeek version 3, which I want to choose for this example. Also, this interface includes attachment, web search, AI image generator, code playground, PowerPoint generator, deep research, and much more available in this interface, which includes most popular AI video generators. Okay, for this example, I want to test DeepSeek code generation capabilities. Let's click on code. I want to generate a Google Chrome extension, which includes an browse icon to load images from local folder and then show them as Instagram images with dark UI. And I ask to give me HTML, CSS, JS, and JSON files. Let's submit this prompt. And as you see, in just one click, we use DeepSeek version 3 to generate our extension required files, including mainfirst.json, popup.html, style.css, and popup.js. And the instructions how to use this as a Chrome extension. And because I want to compare this generated code with other large language models like O1, I want to start a new chat and select ChatGPT O1, which is the latest model, and repeat this Chrome extension generation prompt here and submit this. And if you click on this toggle nav icon here, you could access all your previous generations. And the best part is Abacus application is available for iOS and Android. And this is my today generations. And if I click on this three dots, I could add my custom name for this history. I want to add DeepSeek version 3 and confirm this. And I will repeat the same process with Gemini 2 Pro and Grok as well. And the exciting part is you could always start a new chat and you could try all these LLMs together. To simplify testing these files, I want to create a new text document and copy it 4 times. Now copy this mainfirst.json and paste it here and save this and rename this txt file and extension to mainfirst.json. Repeat the same process with popup.html, style CSS, and script.js. Now if you click on this popup.html and browse images, you could choose these images. And as you see, there is an issue with DeepSeek version 3 results. And I want to reduce it to 10%. And finally, our one-click Instagram extension is ready to go. I have followed the same steps for these chatbots, and the results are ready to compare. I have prepared AI-generated code from these 6 leading LLMs side by side to launch this real-world AI coding comparison, and honestly, the results were shocking. Surprisingly, the last place goes to Chinese DeepSeek, because this is the only AI-provided code that I have to modify it to work fine. The 5th place goes to Elon Musk Grok version 3, because unlike the Instagram, this tool adds single columns of images. Because of non-correct columns and not fitting images, ChatGPT's O1 get the 4th place, same as the Gemini or not fitting image and extra borders that gets the 3rd place. And just before announcing this challenge winner, and since I need this extension to share my AI generated images in a proper way, I use my programming experience to complete this AI generated code. And I made an exciting decision to share it here with you. So if you're interested in to receive this, just comment one-click code and I will share the completed code exclusively with you. And finally, our unexpected winner as the best large language model for coding because of perfectly matching images and columns goes to ChatGPT 4o Mini. And ChatGPT 4o, which I expect more, get the 2nd place. And when it comes to pricing, abacusai continues to amaze me with only $10 per month fee, which is half of the price of ChatGPT Plus, with offering 15 million tokens for accessing Sonnet 3.5 and GPT-4o, or 70 million tokens for accessing other LLMs. Additionally, you can use your tokens to generate almost 200 AI images, or you could generate 45-second AI videos with your favorite AI model. I hope you like my honest review of abacusai, which is sponsoring this video, and please let me know about your experiences in the description below. And thanks for supporting channel with your comments, likes and shares, and of course subscribing channel. Please share this video link with your friends to join us on one-click tutorials AI adventures.